So the chase is started from Karimnagar, as you can see.
सर गजपुर मूड में वाला रहा चलते ना
दट मन दीता हमार गिला दीता बेटा नरते नरा ओके
So as you can see now, they are going really good. It's Munna from Karimnagar. Excellent dive. That was good from Sirsilla. Escape would really nice. That's good from Karimnagar point of view. There should be a pole touch. Akshay is escaped there from Sirsilla. Excellent from Sai, but not succeeded to get the point. Bittu is standing here and watching. Excellent dive. Really good. The point is there. Nani or money it is. Another point, it's Munna. That's it. Bittu, no, it's not Bittu. It's Bittu, it is claiming the point. That's Abraham. Akshay is playing really good.
Attention please, there is a first ball in ball section. Jagityal B versus Karimnagar B. Here is the first call for you.
The point is there. Excellent. Nice pole touch. Nice line cover. Going out, Sirsilla players now. This second three. The point is there for Abraham. That's a foul. Good thing, Abraham. Fast goes. There you go. That's Abraham it is. And Sai is running really good, but point was missed. Excellent escape. That's a good dodge. Sirsilla player is playing really good there in red jersey. Finally, they got the point of him. So in background, the other team players are warming up. There you go.
Attention please, here is the second call
That's fast.
in boys section. Jagitial
So
B
let's
versus
see
Karimnagar
how
B.
it's going.
Here is the second call for you.
That's it. B2 got the point now. So it was given as a time up. So Sirsilla, Karimnagar, both the players played really well, as well as the officials looking the match really good. So they make note of these players who was playing very wonderful or like excellent. So by that they will select the players from these teams. You can see the Sirsilla players over there. The PD sir is guiding them so about the situation now. So according to that, they have to react and score as many points as they can in this last innings to win the match. So they are well, and as well as the Karimnagar team, all they have to do is like just give them under 3 points or 4 points. They can easily win the match. So that's all they have to do now. So that is what the thing for them. So the remaining players were doing something there over there at that water drum. That is Gangadhar and Narendra and Pawan. So they're spending some time in this tournament, as you can see them. So Gangadhar was doing something. So you can see that is Dhanush came over for doing some groundwork. They're working hard for their courts. It's part 2. So all the best for them.